Hairpickers, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing a hair tutorial today. If you're new to my channel, I like to always start off with my face bare before I am doing like frontal units. If it's a lace front or a closure, I'll have makeup on, but other than that, I'm gonna be doing a frontal unit. So I like my face clean and clear, freshly washed. So don't mind me if I look like a little scallywag right now. It will get better towards the end. So we are going to be doing the wig Sensational. It is going to be their butter lace unit, which is the number 4 unit. I did get the color number 1 because whoever you are, by the time I went to go get that wig, this was the only color left. I like a 1B. The one, depending on the type of brand, it does kind of give off like a lot of shine versus a 1B. So I did get the number 1, so hopefully this one doesn't have like too much of a shine. So this is what the packaging is going to look like. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees, and if you don't know about the butter lace, it is the new line from the Sensational wet lace. So here is the inside of the unit. You do have 2 combs on the top. You do have your curved part, which yes, is going to be on the left side. And then you do have the comb in the back with the adjustable strap. You do get your baby hairs on this unit. This unit is pre-plucked. It has light brown lace, and as you can see, my hand right through the parting space, which looks freaking bomb per usual. And then this right here is going to be the curls, which are very, very pretty. It does have a light shine to it, so you are gonna have to tint that. Not tint, but you are gonna have to use some powder. Okay, so this is how the unit does look on. As you can see, they do have baby hairs. Baby hairs look very bomb. Like all you gotta do is trim those down if you like them trimmed down. If not, like they did a really good job. As you can see, plucking, it looks very, very good. Like the hairline is freaking bomb. Like I'm not even gonna pluck this hairline. And then of course you do got the parting space, which all the way is this long. I thought the parting space kind of curved, but I guess not. So with the hair, it does feel soft. You are going to get a silky texture, but it's that more real natural, like premium silky kind of hair. Is not the baby doll hair, so it feels very nice. Towards the ends, they do feel a little bit more on the yucky side. Not saying they are yucky, but it does feel, you know, a little bit more rough. But the hair does feel like very, very soft. Like it looks very pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my powders to go ahead and tint the lace. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lace with my Got to Be Glued, and then I am going to do the baby hairs and style this unit, which you will all see on camera. I think that's basically about it, because this wig right here, it doesn't look like you need to do too much to this unit. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then give you my final results on what I think about this wig. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into Miss Butta Lace Unit 4. So off the bat, baby, she is fire. This wig right here is fire. I freaking love this wig. Like, the length is so freaking gorgeous. They should have came out with this one first, in my opinion, because this right here was perfect for summertime. It goes probably about 10 or 12 inches because it is short. Probably when you stretch it out, it will kind of be what, 14 inches, I would say 14 or 16 inches. So this wig is like super pretty. I freaking love it, like, baby. So to start out, the lace is going to be a light brown lace, so you can go ahead and tint it to your skin tone. I did use my same foundation that I do use in every video. For people that are new, I do use the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir 765, and the color is Tawny. I do use that and put that on top. I also did put some concealer on top. It is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Cafe. I put that on top in the parting area so that I can get it a little bit more defined. The lace blends into the skin flawlessly. If you have Butta Lace 1, 2, or 3, I can't count. If you have Butta Lace 1, 2, or 3, then you'll know the lace blends in flawlessly with this unit. So it does look pretty on the skin. Like, once you melt this into your skin, it looks freaking bomb. So I love the lace automatically. The hairline is pre-plucked for you once again, so you don't have to pluck it. I only plucked like right here because I wanted the part to be a little bit more open, and I felt like they had baby hairs right there, and I like mine to be open. So I did just pluck a couple of hairs right there. It was probably 2 or 3 hairs, nothing major. Let's get into the hair. So this hair is freaking pretty. For me, I didn't get any tangling nor shedding, and I did kind of fluff my hair out. I did want it to be more natural, so I didn't put any mousse on the hair. I did put mousse right here towards the edges because I did apply my Got2b glue freezing spray, and if you didn't know, sometimes that spray will get a little bit tacky and messy, and if you apply like the mousse on top of it, it'll kind of dissolve that messiness and you won't be able to see it. So I did put that on top, as well as I did use my edge booster just to kind of raise it up to keep it in place. And then of course I did use my flat iron only right here in the front area so that I can get it to stay up. And like I said, this hair, it does have a shine, but it's actually not bad. Like, in person, it's not bad at all. Like, this freaking wig is so freaking gorgeous. I think this is like sophisticated lady, like very nice for summer. I feel like going on a date, this wig is pretty. Like, everything about this unit is pretty. So the only thing that I did have with this wig was that I did have to cut into the lace a little bit more on this side, because it did not go, it goes from ear to ear, but it was more lace on this side over the ear, so I did have to kind of cut it. But I mean, there's really not big of a con. Other than that, this wig is freaking gorgeous. I can't wait for the other wigs to come out. I've been stalking sites and I cannot wait. Like, I love the Butta Lace units so far. I haven't gotten the long, I think it was number 2, but I did get number 1, and then I did get number 3, and I freaking love the hair quality like on this unit. It looks so freaking good, and like everything's beginner friendly, so I love this collection. You really don't have to do much with these units, but once again, I will leave the information down below where you can purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, leave those down below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video.